So this is what AI made for me. It made projections of the future that I taught it how to do. This is a stock that I'm looking at, MBLY. It's not quite where I want it to be cheap wise, but this whole website AI made for me, which is insane. So this is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll put the link in the description, but I'm using AI tools to analyze stocks and find bargains. I covered before, I'm using Grok AI, but you can use ChatGPT. I'm sure you can use Meta AI as well, or Perplexity. But the cool thing about Grok that I've learned is that you can make a project. You make a project and it'll save all the conversations in one little area. And then to make sure the AI has a memory that you want it to have, you provide attachments. Like I gave AI a bunch of cases. I have Apple in 2008, Meta 2022 when it was on sale, Palantir when Palantir was $6. I added that case study so that the AI model can learn what I'm looking for. I'm looking for growth stocks that go on sale. I added another file to teach it about using the PEG ratio to value these companies. And then I told it, I think I have the type of tables that I want so it can make websites. So like then I analyzed MBLY and it gave me a summary. It says, yeah, it's gone down a lot. It'd be better if it was near $10. It's telling me more or less where the stocks that I'm looking at might be a better deal. It's thinking with me, not quite for me, but with me. And this is going to be super valuable because look at the market. This is a chart of the S&P 500, and the whole market is not cheap. It's already up. It's not on sale. The VIX is not high. Like there's no blood in the street. But like there are bargains. This MBLY works with autonomous vehicles, and I think it will be a bargain. And let me get this other. I'm looking at the valuations, and it's really hard. Like it's really hard to value everything about a company. I mean, look at that. Does that even make any sense? You have price to sales, price to cash flow, price to tangible book. It's kind of an art. But now with AI, I'm giving it a bunch of cases, and then I'm saying, like, does it look like a bargain? Given the information I'm feeding you, does it look like a bargain? And here it is, and it says, it's going to be a good deal. I'm summarizing what AI thinks. It's going to be a good deal, but it'd be a better deal if it got a little cheaper. So I'm hoping the market sells off, and then I'll be prepared to buy more shares at a better price. Like I bought a little bit of this one, MBLY, but it doesn't matter. The point is, you look for opportunities and then you swing. And I know that a lot of these companies that I like are not quite there yet, but they will be. So I'm just doing the research thanks to AI. So I made this table. Well, AI helped me make it. Different valuation potentials, like how high could my stock go if the analyst expectations are true. And then I've got a chart. If the analysts are right, what are different levels that this stock could be worth? I think it's fantastic. If you want to see this, I have this on the Value Pig website. Let me know in the comments if you want this link, or if there's a stock that you're looking at, I'll run it through AI. And maybe it's something that's not on my radar. So thank you for sharing your stock picks, and we'll learn together and we'll see what AI thinks. Let me know.